Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got a new video tonight. It's gonna be another POV drive. I'm actually going to Brooklyn to go see the Dyker Heights lights. It's gonna be exciting for Christmas. I mean, it's a little after Christmas, but you know, we're gonna go see the lights anyway. But I'm gonna take you guys along a little POV drive. I know the last video you guys didn't like the music on it, and I do apologize. It was my first attempt at it. So this is gonna be another one. I'm just gonna let the Hemi sing, you know what I mean? I'm just not gonna play no music, nothing, be quiet. It's gonna be a couple of people in the car, so maybe you might hear some combo, a little bit of that, but you know, it won't be anything crazy. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. This way, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You're talking?
Well, I mean, I can still talk to you a little bit.
You want to be here?
It's like a roller coaster.
It is every time.
It's weird. He's got headlights, but he's got no taillights on. How does that happen? You're trying to hold in your...
Yeah, I was.
Oh, that's true. It's fine. Going to Brooklyn. Shit, I gotta get it. BQE, son.
It better be worth the hype, Dyker Heights.
I'm sure it is. I mean, everybody talks about it.
Everyone does, but I've never been, so I don't know.
Look at the Kosciuszko Bridge. What's it called? The Kosciuszko?
Kosciuszko.
Kosciuszko?
Costco.
Costco Bridge? Ooh, that looks nice. Look at that. Christmas colors. Christmas Costco Bridge. And you see the city over there? It's so nice. Yeah, yeah.
No, that's Freedom.
No, that's the Freedom. You can see the Empire State Building's green and red over there. I know. So what happens when you live in New York?
It's a busy night.
Today, Saturday? Yeah, Saturday night. It's busy.
Saturday after Christmas.
It's like I can't go anywhere. Yes. That was loud. Because it was like timed right under the bridge. Is that the Freedom Tower? I think it is, right?
It's across the pier, isn't it?
Yeah. It looks so close, but it's not. Well, I guess it is if you go across the water. Here. Okay. You know what bridge that is?
Arizona.
Very good. Well, you take another bridge into Jersey.
Right, but you have to get through it. That's the way.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
We're in Bay Ridge. Oh, that cop car is speeding.
Foot.
Did you ever ice it after the day of ice on it?
Nope. What's going on here?
I think it's a red signal. Oh no, you're good from here.
Good eye. Ooh, got him. Got him.
I saw him speeding.
Oh, you saw that guy speeding?
No, I saw the cop speeding.
Oh.
I see speeding. He like made a sharp right turn and flew. So I was like, where is he going?
This guy, I wonder what he did. Oh, two cops. Ooh.
Bad night. So is there a certain block to go on to? Dyker Heights?
thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I do appreciate all you guys. We're actually about to hit 100 subs, which honestly is crazy. When I started this channel, I was just, just kind of doing it for fun, just kind of recording the SRT and just kind of see what would happen. But it's actually kind of cool, and I do enjoy doing the videos and stuff like that. And I got a lot more content coming, so just stay tuned. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. Peace.